Introduction to blue jays. The blue jay Cyanoceta cristata is a striking and intelligent bird native to North America. Known for its vibrant blue plumage, distinctive crest, and loud, varied calls, the blue jay is a common sight in forests, woodlands, and suburban areas. This bird has fascinated ornithologists and birdwatchers alike due to its complex behavior, adaptability, and role in its ecosystem. Physical characteristics. Blue jays are medium-sized birds, typically measuring about 25 to 30 centimeters, 10 to 12 inches in length, with a wingspan of 34 to 43 centimeters, 13 to 17 inches. Their most distinguishing feature is their bright blue upperparts, contrasted with white underparts and a black necklace around their throat. The wings and tail are barred with black, blue, and white patterns, making them easily recognizable. The blue color of their feathers is not due to pigmentation, but rather the result of light scattering off the microscopic structure of the feathers, a phenomenon known as structural coloration. The crest on top of their head can be raised or lowered, depending on their mood, and is often used in communication with other blue jays. Their strong, black bill is suited for a varied diet, and their legs and feet are also black. Behavior and communication. Blue jays are highly vocal birds, with a wide range of calls that include whistles, clicks, and mimicked sounds. They are known to imitate the calls of hawks, which can serve as a warning to other birds or as a tactic to deceive and frighten potential predators. Their most common call is a loud JJ, from which they derive their name. These birds are also known for their intelligence and problem-solving abilities. Blue jays have been observed using tools, such as using leaves to carry food, and they are capable of complex social behaviors, such as mobbing predators to drive them away from their nests. Their curiosity and boldness make them one of the most engaging birds to observe in the wild. Diet and feeding habits. Blue jays are omnivorous, with a diet that includes insects, nuts, seeds, fruits, and occasionally small vertebrates like mice or other birds' eggs and nestlings. They are particularly fond of acorns and play a crucial role in oak forest regeneration by catching acorns and seeds, some of which are never retrieved, allowing them to germinate and grow into new trees. Their strong bills enable them to crack open hard nuts and seeds, and they are known to store food for later consumption, hiding it in crevices or burying it in the ground. This behavior is particularly common in the fall, when they prepare for the winter months. Nesting and reproduction. Blue jays are monogamous birds, often forming long-term pair bonds. They typically build their nests in the crooks of tree branches, using twigs, grass, and mud to construct a sturdy platform. Both the male and female participate in building the nest, and they are known to be highly protective of their nesting sites. The female lays between 3 to 7 eggs, which are pale blue or greenish with brown spots. Both parents share the responsibilities of incubation, which lasts about 17 to 18 days. Once the chicks hatch, they are fed by both parents and fledge from the nest after about 17 to 21 days. Blue jays are attentive parents, and they often continue to care for their young even after they have left the nest. Ecological importance. Blue jays play a significant role in their ecosystems, particularly in seed dispersal. Their habit of storing seeds and acorns contributes to the growth of forests, as some of the seeds they cache are never recovered, allowing them to sprout into new trees. This behavior helps maintain the health and diversity of forests, making blue jays important contributors to their habitats. Additionally, as predators of insects and small vertebrates, blue jays help control pest populations, balancing the ecosystem. Their presence in a habitat is often an indicator of a healthy environment, as they thrive in areas with abundant food and suitable nesting sites. Cultural significance. Blue jays have a prominent place in North American folklore and culture. They are often seen as symbols of communication, intelligence, and resourcefulness. In some Native American cultures, the blue jay is regarded as a trickster figure, known for its cunning and boldness. The bird's striking appearance and loud calls have also made it a popular subject in literature, art, and birdwatching communities. Conservation status. Currently, blue jays are not considered to be at risk, with a stable and widespread population across their range. However, they face threats from habitat loss due to forestation and urban development. They are also vulnerable to environmental changes, such as pesticide use and climate change, which can affect their food sources and nesting habitats. Conservation efforts for blue jays include protecting their natural habitats, planting native trees that provide food and shelter, and minimizing the use of pesticides that could harm their food supply. Encouraging the presence of blue jays in urban and suburban areas can also be achieved by providing bird feeders with seeds and nuts, particularly during the winter months when natural food sources may be scarce. Conclusion: the blue jay is a remarkable bird that combines beauty, intelligence, and ecological importance. Its vibrant plumage, complex behaviors, and adaptability make it a beloved species among bird enthusiasts and a vital part of its ecosystem. By understanding and appreciating the role of blue jays in our environment, we can contribute to their conservation and ensure that these charismatic birds continue to thrive in the wild. Behavior and communication. These birds are highly social, often seen in pairs or small groups. They are known to form tight family bonds with parents and offspring staying together for extended periods. Blue jays are also known for their problem-solving abilities, such as using tools to obtain food. Their bold and curious nature makes them one of the most engaging and entertaining birds to observe. Diet and feeding behavior. The diet of a blue jay is diverse, making them omnivorous birds. They consume a variety of food items, including insects, nuts, seeds, fruits, and occasionally small vertebrates like mice or bird eggs. Acorns are a particular favorite, and blue jays play a crucial role in the dispersal of oak trees by catching acorns in the ground. Many of these acorns are not retrieved, leading to the growth of new trees, which is vital for forest regeneration. Blue jays are known for their food hoarding behavior, where they store food in crevices or bury it in the ground to consume later, especially during the winter months when food is scarce. This behavior demonstrates their foresight and contributes to their survival during challenging times. Reproduction and nesting. Blue jays are monogamous, with pairs often staying together for several years. They typically build their nests in the forks of tree branches, using materials like twigs, grass, and mud to create a sturdy and secure structure. The nests are well hidden, providing protection from predators. The female lays between 3 to 7 eggs, which are pale blue or greenish with brown spots. Both parents take part in incubating the eggs, which hatch after about 17 to 18 days. The chicks are altricial, meaning they are born helpless and require significant parental care. The parents are highly attentive, feeding the chicks and protecting them from predators until they are ready to fledge, which occurs after about 17 to 21 days. Blue jays play a vital role in their ecosystems, particularly through seed dispersal. Their habit of caching acorns and other seeds helps in the regeneration of forests, as some of these seeds are never recovered and go on to germinate. This behavior not only aids in forest growth, but also in maintaining biodiversity within their habitats.